简单的用中文给你们交流一下啊。这里就是中国江苏省南通市地铁第1号线，它从南通的正信路开往南通平巢镇，由东到西沿着长江海岸线。这是南通3线城市的第1条地铁干线，也是南通人民的几十年上百年的梦想，得以在2023年顺利通车，实现他们的美好愿望。在这里带来各个国家的旅游、经济、贸易、物流各方面，贯穿于整个南通的大江南北，建设美好的南通城市，吸引国际外资和人文交流和旅游。欢迎朋友、业内人士来观光旅游、生产投资。Okay, French. Says good morning. My one, this one location Chinese. China location Jiangsu is Nantong. Is Tongzhou. Nantong location is Pinchao. Happy the said Almaty is location move. This is China Zhenxing. Nantong Zhenxing red. This location putting down. All of the working you happy. See the all of the company working move. Sunday this one making size. All the Almaty you see lose 17. All see chest. See happy move location. New happy days. Okay. You listen happy China. You come China Nantong. Okay. You okay the open company. You see that open sending people. Okay. Happy follow. Send you the location. Okay. Okay, friend. Okay. Chinese Happy New Year.
为赴龙腾华府提醒您。